Hey guys, I'm Brandi Phillips with Pennant Real Estate, and I want to welcome you to 14469 Essen Terrace. Come inside and take a look. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. You actually can get into this home with no money down because it qualifies for 100% RD financing. It also qualifies for 3.5% down FHA or the traditional VA or conventional loans. So for more information on this house or any house in the greater Baton Rouge area, you can give me a call at 225-413-7655.